Hi traders, welcome back to another video. So as you know, I am a professional Forex robot programmer, and I started this YouTube channel because I want to share my experiences with you about Forex trading with EAs. I just got back from a trip in the Azores, so I'm a bit lazy and tired, but I guess that is what we all need for this video, because this will be a special one, so listen carefully. I will tell you my top tips and tricks how to buy the perfect expert advisor that will actually make money for you. That's a really big thing because when I was on my trip, my EAs just constantly made money for me, and that felt really amazing. So the first thing is, don't be in a rush. You know, our mind is action based. Human mind is action based. So we learn that to make something, to make money or anything, we have to do something. But with trading, it is actually the opposite. So most of the time, the key factor to make money is to just calm down and listen and wait for the opportunity, wait till the trade hit your TP. Just wait, just learn how to wait, because most of the traders just can't. They are hyperactive and just trade and then lose all their money. It is because they can't just calm down and wait, because they are excited. I get it. I was excited too when I started trading and blow a few accounts. But remember, when you really chase something, most of the time you will lose it. So just learn how to listen and calm down and wait for the opportunities and the trades to hit your TP or stop loss. That's all. That's all you need first when you start trading. I know it's really hard. Yes. The second thing, when you test an EA and really like it, you tend to just buy it, and you want to use it right away. But my recommendation is that rent the EA for at least for a month, and put it on a demo account and see if it is actually makes money, it is the right EA for you. And when you tried it for a month on a demo account, then you can put it on a live account, but a really small one, for a month, just to practice trading with an expert advisor, because most of the traders think that with trading with an expert advisor is so easy. They just put it on a virtual server and it just makes money. But it's not the case, because our human emotions always there, and we can't stop them even with an EA. We will constantly just looking at the charts and the EA and what's doing, and so that is not the way to go. The next thing, understand the strategy of the expert advisor that you buy. So in my experience, most of the traders just buy a robot and don't understand the basics of the strategy. So how can they trust an EA when don't understand the basics behind it? I don't understand. So I recommend you to learn about technical indicators and so forth. And then when you buy an EA, just learn the basics of the EA, because that is the robot that you want to make money for you. So it is really important. It is a key factor. And if it's not written down on the description, in the description, then just ask the seller what is the strategy of the EA. And if you don't understand fully the strategy of the expert advisor that is written down in the description, just ask the seller. They will explain the strategy to you. And if they don't explain the strategy for you, then I don't recommend buy that expert advisor. So that was me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think these are the most important key factors to actually choose an expert advisor, use it, and make really money with it. Believe me, it's quite a boring and hard process, but for professional traders, trading is actually really boring. So if you want to be a professional trader, trading has to be boring to you as well. Remember this. So good trading for this week, traders, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe.